You've spent years putting everyone else first, their needs, their goals, their comfort. You were the reliable one, the giver, the peacekeeper, and somewhere along the way, you started losing yourself. Here's the truth no one tells you. You can't build a peaceful life by abandoning yourself to keep everyone else comfortable, and you don't have to. Today, we're talking about how to reclaim your power emotionally, financially, and mentally after putting everyone else first. There's a moment that always comes before change. It's that quiet ache inside you that whispers, I can't keep doing this. It's not anger, it's awareness. You start noticing how tired you are, how you give, and somehow still feel empty. That's not weakness. That's your power calling you back. Because the woman who overgives is usually the one who learned that love was earned through effort. And unlearning that is what changes everything. Step 1, remember who you are. Ask yourself, what do I need right now? Not what they need, not what looks good on paper, what you actually need. Maybe it's rest, maybe it's financial independence, maybe it's to stop saying yes when your soul is screaming no. This is where self-trust starts, by listening to the small voice you've been quieting for years. Step 2, rebuild boundaries, not walls. Boundaries don't push people away, they pull you back to yourself. Emotionally, it's saying no without apology. Financially, it's refusing to fund other people's comfort at the cost of your own stability. Your peace matters, your money matters, your time matters. And when you stop giving from depletion, you start giving from strength. Step 3, rewrite the story. You are not cold for protecting your peace. You are not selfish for putting yourself first. You are becoming responsible for your own energy. And that's what real maturity looks like. Start shifting the language you use with yourself. Instead of, I should have helped, say, I honored my limits. Instead of, I let them down, say, I showed up for me. That's how self-respect sounds. Step 4, take aligned action. Now it's time to turn awareness into power. Start small. Open that savings account, make that call, decline that invitation that drains you. Every decision that honors your values builds your strength. You don't need a massive reinvention. You need consistent self-respect. And here's the part most people miss. You don't reclaim your power by becoming harder. You reclaim it by becoming clearer, by realizing that your needs aren't negotiable, they're sacred. Because the world doesn't need you exhausted, it needs you awake. So, if this resonates, know that this is just the beginning. We're diving deeper into this series on emotional wealth, financial confidence, and reclaiming your voice after years of silence. Subscribe, stay close, and remember, you're not starting over. You're simply coming home to yourself.